Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. My kitties are sitting in the window over there, but I was doing makeup and filming videos for TikTok and I thought, I'll film this. You know, Ulta is doing their 21 days of deals. Big brands are going to be half off. So I've been watching all these recommendations and one caught my eye. I thought, well, I'll give it a try. Y'all know, if you've been watching me at all, that the Snail Mucin is something I have avoided. I don't know how I feel about putting Snail on my face, but it is supposed to be amazing. So here is one of the things that I got during this sale. Now this is normally $25. I think I paid $12.50 for it. This is COSRX. This is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I haven't decided if I'm going to gift it or be brave enough to try it. Y'all might need to give me some encouragement down below, but I'm going to show it to you. I don't know if I'll actually pump any of it out or not. Okay, let's read claims to fame. Let's see. Improves overall skin radiance by targeting dullness and brightening the skin, provides long-lasting hydration without leaving a greasy residue, plumps the skin and supports healthy elasticity, minimizes the looks of fine lines and wrinkles, and enhances skin's natural glow. Highly concentrated formula contains 96% snail mucin. It's for all skin types, especially dehydrated and aging skin. Dermatologist tested. Hyperallergenic, pH is 6.5 to 7.5. Oh my goodness. It's got snail in it. I'm such a child. I know I am, but I'm also a country girl. I should be brave enough for this, right? Right? I'm trying to get the box open nicely. Okay. So here's what it looks like. I don't even know. Let me just do this. And that way, oh, it's not even gonna drip, right? I want to see what it was like on my hand without actually contaminating the bottle in case I do decide to give it to someone else. Of course, I spilled it all over the bottle. All right. Oh, it's slimy, slimy, slimy. It has absolutely no scent, and it did melt right into my skin. I mean, maybe I shouldn't just not think about it and should just try. I don't know. Y'all tell me what I should do. I'm going to put this away for now and think on it. Tell me what you think. What should I do? Should this be like a collab gift? I've got one coming up. Oh my goodness. I've got snail on me. I know. I feel a little stickiness there after it's dried. Just a little tacky. Not bad. Oh, I got snail on me. The mama in me is wanting to run and wash my hands. Y'all stay tuned. I do have more hauls from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, and considering it is only the 18th, we still have many to go. What y'all buy from the sales? What are you planning on buying from the sales? I want to hear it all. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.